Hey everybody! I'm here today with an easy handcuff knot tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make rope handcuffs just like these. This is an unbelievably useful knot, so let's get right into the video. This is what they look like when they're done, and they're really easy to make. I'm going to take the camera, we're going to turn it around just like this, and I'm going to show you how to make the handcuff knot right over here, okay? So as you can see right here, this is what the handcuff knot looks like, okay? So I'm gonna undo the handcuff knot, and you can make it much tighter than that. But basically, you wanna go from one end, and you wanna go significantly in from the end. You don't want it to be too close to the end of the rope, okay? So we're gonna go in, we're gonna create one overhand loop, as you can see right there, and then we're gonna create another overhand loop, as you can see right here. So we have two overhand loops. Very simple and straightforward, just as you can see right there. Now we're gonna overlap the right overhand loop over the left overhand loop halfway, okay? So as you can see right here, I'll bring it down over here. We'll bring the camera down as well. The right overhand loop is just halfway over the left overhand loop. Now I'm gonna reach my hand under the left overhand loop and grab the left edge of the right loop. So I'm grabbing this edge right here, and then I'm gonna reach my hand over the right loop and grab the right edge of the left loop. So right now I have the right end of the left overhand loop in my right hand, and I have the left end of the right overhand loop in my left hand. All that I'm going to do now is pull these through while holding the ends of the rope, okay? Just like that, hold the ends of the rope, pull these through nice and tightly, and what we have here is the handcuff knot. Now you can make each of these ends bigger or smaller by pulling on the end of the rope or on the actual loop. You can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to tighten it up, obviously you can make it really tight, super tight. It's up to you. But that's it. That is an easy handcuff knot tutorial. These obviously have many different purposes. This is one of the most useful knots that you can learn how to do. And it's actually one of the easiest knots too, which is absolutely great. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.